Today I'm going to show you how to assemble and install a new shower head. First step, I'm going to use some Teflon or plumber's tape around the edges where the nozzles are going to connect onto. Imagine turning the hose onto the threads. You want the Teflon to go the direction, that way when you're turning it on, it's not undoing it. Does that make sense? I was always taught you want to do like 4 circles around it. You want to get this as tight as you can by hand. So now I have my mountable shower head and my shower sprayer. These mount together and everything is connected. I'm not going to have any leaks in these connection points. So next I'm going to mount this part, the bracket, to the back side of the shower head. This is what the bracket looks like. It's like a ball joint, so it allows the shower head to maneuver any direction you need it to. That's gonna go right here. Next, I'm connecting the wall bracket to the back side of the shower head. Twisting as tight as I can go by hand. That is an awesome fit. Now I am fully connected from the bracket to the water spout. I Tefloned this and tightened it as strong as I could. And test it out to make sure there's no leaks. What you're specifically looking for is going to be water coming from the stem here or water coming from your joints. I do see some water coming from the handle, so I'm going to take that off and tighten it back up. Everything else is looking good though. Looks like my Teflon kind of made the compression O-ring a little wonky, so I'm going to remove all of that and then just retwist it. Okay, that fixed it. I'm going to go ahead and remount it. This is an awesome shower head because you can twist the knob here and it'll turn on the different sections of the shower head. So, I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.